All right, guys. So remember from yesterday and Monday, this week we are working with the vowel teams that say the O sound. All right. And we talked on Monday about the fact that OW or OA makes the O sound. Just like it follows the whole rule. If two vowels go walking, the first says the talking. But yesterday we started talking about the letters OW and that team. And we know that just like in the vowel team IGH, sometimes the vowel is paired with something other than a vowel, and that's okay. All right. So we are talking about the vowel team OW and the fact that OW, when they work together, says O. Okay. Remember, if we hear the O sound at the end of a word or a syllable, we use OW. But today we're going to talk about an exception to that rule. Okay. When we see a word that when we see a word that's the past tense of a word that ends with OW, the OW no longer comes at the end. It's followed by the letter N. Okay, so let's look at an example of this. Okay, this is the word so, and the word SOW, so, means kind of like when a farmer will spread their seeds. Okay, so that's a verb. Okay, now if I want to talk about a farmer spreading his seeds in the past or last week, I would say that the farmer has sown his seeds. So when I'm looking at it, I know that the word is sow, but this one happens in the past. So I'm going to add it in. So we know that the OWN, it's still going to say O. Okay? Like in this word, throw. So throw. If I did it yesterday, or we have thrown. So the word throw still stays there. It just adds an N to the back. Okay. So if you hear it with the own sound, we are going to spell it OWN. All right. Let's practice some words. Okay. So get your phonics journal ready and let's practice spelling some words. All right. The first word that I want you to spell is blow. Blow. All right. O. I hear O at the end, which means I'm going to spell it O-W. Blow. Okay. So my word is blow. B-L-O-W. Blow. Okay. Remember our rule that we just talked about. My next word that I want you to spell is blown. Blown. It's the same root word, blow. It just happened in the past tense. So blown. What are we going to add? We're going to add the letter N. Blown. Do you see how we still have that word blow? We still have the same root word blow as we have here. We just added the N to the end of it, okay? Here we go. My next word is grow. 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 I hear it at the end. I hear it at the end of my word. How are we going to spell the word grow? Grow. G-R-O-W. Grow. All right. Using the rule that we just talked about, how am I going to spell the word grown? Not like grown, but to grow up. Grown. How will we spell that word? Grown. We would spell it G-R-O-W-N. Okay? Still see the word grow. Now we just have the N. Good job. All right, here we go. I want you to spell the word flown. 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 All right. Flown. We spell that word F-L-O-W-N. Flown. Very good job, guys. All right, now let's get ready for our sentence. All right, here we go. Are you ready? Listening ears. Remember, I want you to listen to the sentence the first time, and then you are going to write it after that. So here we go. My mother has thrown a gray float in the sea. My mother has thrown a gray float into the sea. My mother has thrown a gray float in the sea. In the sea. My mother has thrown a gray float in the sea. All right, so that kind of combines all of our O patterns together. So let's see. Here we go. My mother, there's our capital M because it's at the beginning of a sentence. Mother, that's our red word, has thrown. This is what we talked about today. Own. The only time the OW doesn't come at the end of the word is when it has the N or an L behind it. A gray, here's the last week's, or one of our last phonics skills, AY at the end of a sound. A float in the sea. EA at the end of the word. That's one of those rule breakers. And make sure you have a period at the end of your sentence. All right? Good job, guys. All right, today I want you to write your red words 3 times each in red as we spell them out loud. So here we go. Our first word is many. Here we go. Ready? M-A-N-Y. Many. Good job. M-A-N-Y. Many. Next. M-A-N-Y. Many. Good job. All right, our next word, again, 3 times in red. Spell it out loud. A-G-A-I-N. Again. A-G-A-I-N. Again. One more time. A-G-A-I-N. Again. All right, our next word, study. S-T-U-D-Y. Study. Okay. S-T-U-D-Y. Study. Last time. S-T-U-D-Y. Study. And our last word, do you remember what it is? It's got that tricky silent W. Anybody remember? Answer. 3 times. Here we go. A-N-S-W-E-R. Answer. A-N-S-W-E-R. Answer. A-N-S-W-E-R. Answer. Very good. Here we go. I'm going to click them. You read them out loud to me. Are we ready? Here we go. Let me switch back to my pen or my pointer finger so that I can just click. Here we go. Ready? Went. Still. Ask. Where. From. Why. Think. Give. No. Would. Always. Over. Sentence. Should. Around. Follow. Away. Different. Because. Another. Letter. Place. Before. Picture. Mother. Green. Good job. All right. I will see you guys in reading groups after a while. Have a good day.